Module 10, Security Administration and Management.
This course will draw upon Part B of the International Ship and Port Facility Security Code and Appendix B to demonstrate to port facility security officers, company security officers, and ship security officers the administrative requirements for both documentation and records keeping. Records associated with the security assessment and security plan, as well as training, drills, and maintenance of security equipment and systems are vital in order to achieve and maintain certification of compliance with the ISPS code. The essential elements of this program include ISPS requirements associated with documentation and records, reporting of security incidents, monitoring and control of the security plan, security audits and inspections, and the reporting of nonconformities. Documentation and records are a vital part of the ISPS code. Much like the ISM code, or International Safety Management Code, there is an emphasis on the ability to audit activities to ensure compliance with all portions of the ISPS code. One of the important elements of the ISPS code is the requirement for a continuous synopsis record, as detailed in SOLAS Chapter 11-2, Regulation 5. Every ship subject to the ISPS code must be issued with a continuous synopsis record, or CSR. The CSR is intended to provide an onboard record of the history of the ship with respect to the information recorded therein. There are additional documentation and records requirements that the company must undertake apart from those associated with the continuous synopsis recorder. For example, the company must ensure that the master has available on board at all times information through which officers duly authorized by a contracting government can establish who is responsible for appointing the members of the crew, who is responsible for deciding the employment of the ship. In cases where the ship is employed under the terms of charter parties, who are the parties to such charter agreements?